What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the past few months I've been testing out the dash cam for this company called Tiesfong. They sent this out for the Rav4 and they want to see if we can do a review, install, and yeah, just overall what my impression of this dash cam is. So on this video I'll go over the unboxing, the install, and also my honest review on this 4 camera dash cam by this company Tiesfong. So before we get started, let's go into the unboxing and what you expected on the inside the box of this dash cam. Let's do it. All right, it's pretty well packaged. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, we got first the user manual. I'm assuming it's probably instruction as well, how to install as well, so we'll use this later. Here's probably the camera and all the wiring for it. Okay, so we got the digital recorder here, another camera back here. Oh, that's interesting. So there's a rear camera that's already included here. And I don't know what this one is. Not a rear camera, so we'll check it out later. But yeah, this kit already has with a rear camera. And obviously this is the charging cable for the camera, but this is the main camera right here, so we'll get into that. But let's see what else is included. A couple of wipes, micro USB, yeah, a couple of attachment and whatnot. I know they had an ND filter. I think this is the ND filter for it. Yeah, this is the ND filter for the camera. So that's pretty cool that they include a ND filter for the camera. So a couple of sticky stuff for the dash. But let's see the main camera. This puppy right here. Hopefully I don't break it. Ooh, this is nice. Oh wow, look at this. This is really nice. I don't know if you can focus on that. There you go. So you got the front facing camera with the ND filter. We'll put an ND filter here, but also all this side camera as well. So if you're ever using try to record your blind spot monitor, you can do the same with this one, so the side as well. So it's really nice. The car is really well built. Okay, let's check out the rear camera that they also included. Okay, so this was the rear camera that's included in the kit. That's really cool. Look like good size camera as well, so it should be pretty easy plug and play kind of thing with your power source, your USB charging cable. So yeah, pretty good amount of cable too to run to your Rav4 or any other car. But let's see what the other package, the rear camera, that sent me compared to this one. So we'll put this one aside. That's interesting that it's 2. I honestly don't know what this one's for. Doesn't look like it's a camera, is it? Maybe some type of oh, it's a radar. It says right here, radar hardwire kit. Duh. My bad. So yeah, this is something that's included. We'll check it out all out later, but yeah, this is what all included in the kit. Put that aside. Obviously micro USB for recording, but yeah, the main one is this guy right here. This is really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much all it is in the kit, guys. We'll go into the Rav4 and then we'll start installing it right now. Alright guys, we're inside the Rav4. Unfortunately, the Rav4, there's all these sensors in the front with traffic and stuff like that sensor, so I can't really put anything in front. I don't like to. And then this one is another sensor, so I would love to put it somewhere here, but over here just hanging way too low. So consensus with my wife is that we put it right here. I know it's kind of ghetto looking, not the best view, but I think when it comes to the dash, that's the best. We'll still utilize it, all the side cameras. I thought about putting it right here, but it doesn't make sense to put it right here, and we don't want to put it right in front here because then we're sitting here and it's just like right in our face. Now obviously for a driver's side, it doesn't make sense, that thing right in your face. So I think we'll just put it all the way down here. It's kind of funky looking, but yeah, it looked like it's a little GoPro style. So yeah, finding the area to put this dash cam on the Rav4 is the hardest part. So hopefully it doesn't block the sensor. We'll see. But they do come with a mounting system where that way you can just you know, don't have to permanently put it on. Let me see if I can find it. So they have this suction cup style, so you can put it anywhere you want and take it off if you want to. And so it doesn't have to be permanent, but maybe we'll try this one time. But for now, I think we'll use right there and then see how it looks. But yeah, let's turn on the camera, make sure it works. The first thing is put the SD card in, so I'm gonna do that right now. All right, I got the micro SD card in, I got the ND filter in. Really easy, it looks really cool. So we're gonna put it right there, plug in the power cord, and turn this baby on. All right, let's do that. All right guys, it is powered on right now. I think I'm still trying to find the perfect place to put this. I think it's going to put a little bit upper in the windshield right here. That way we can utilize the side cameras, because a little too low, I just record all the dash, so a little bit up here should be fine. Hopefully the sensor from Toyota, the Rav4, shouldn't be an issue. It's far enough. So yeah, I think that's the best option right now. I love how the two camera can go up and down and then side by side, so you can adjust it once you're finished. But I think that's where I'm going to mount it right now. All right guys, that's how it looks right now. So once you get into that, let me see if I can focus on, there it is. Go to your manual, and this has all the buttons you need to control the camera: languages, volume, format. So yeah, just play around with it, and then you know, the setting that you guys want. But I'm gonna play around with this, just try and get all the setting that I like. And so the next step is just wiring the back camera, and that should be pretty easy because the back camera just go into this up here, and then rerouting all the wires along all the trim here into the back. So we'll do that in a little bit, but for now I'm gonna play around with this and get the right setting for this. All right guys, so this is how the back facing camera is connected. So I got it running along all this trim right here, along this, and then it goes into all this trim pieces right here, run along there. I'll show you on the other side right now. And once this closes, as you can see, the extra wide does kind of help it go along. But pretty much have it running all the way along here, right? Underneath here, and connected there and there. So you're able to pry this back a little bit. There's a few tools, and able to use just my fingernail and able to get in there and put all the wire. But yeah, that's how it's in there. And then from there all the way along this trim pieces right here, all the way down to here, and you see the cord right there. Run along that, and underneath all this too, I'm able to run it, and then run it all the way up here. This is the glove box right here, and then run it up here, and then connect it on there. So that's how it's connecting with the back facing camera. Yeah, that's how I wire it for the Rav4. I think I'm gonna put a zip tie to zip tie this together and just a little bit more organized. But yeah, for now it's kind of hanging like that, but it's working so far. Alright, so to connect to the Wi-Fi, you have to download this app, the Tiesfong, and then from there you go to your password and enter the password. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, there it is. There's the dash cam, so connected that. And the passcode is on the user manual. It's just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let me put that in and see how it works. All right, we got pictures. So it's recording right now. So you could use your phone to record all this stuff, take pictures and whatnot. Yeah, so it's, you didn't see that. Let me do it again. There it is. You were to take pictures and stuff like that, or you use this to record. So it is on right now, being recorded, but you can do it manually too. Recording stop, so everything can go through this instead of up there. But if you want to do it manually, you can go through there. So this is really nice. Alright guys, so this is the front facing camera quality. I'm not sure you guys can hear the audio or not, but this is the audio from there on the inside of the car. Yeah, hopefully the quality, the video quality is pretty good. Really can't see driving, so I'm not sure how the quality is, but what about the back camera? Lighting company.
Oh, yeah. The one where we left the ladder that one time.
Alright guys, so what's my honest opinion when it comes to this dash cam by Tiesfong? I really like this dash cam a lot, and a few reasons. The first is how easy it is to install. So once you're able to determine where you want it on your car, it's pretty much a plug and play. So as long as you have a cigarette lighter, you're able to plug it in, you're pretty much set. So once you get that going, if you format the SD card, running the app, you're able to pretty much start recording. So super easy to install and super easy to get it going. And another reason I really like it is how you're able to take it onto different cars. So you're planning to use it on different vehicles, you're able to take it. So there's a suction cup option, so you're able to use a suction cup instead of the sticker that I have. And from there, you're able to move it to different vehicle as well. And as long as you have a cigarette lighter, you're able to connect the dash cam. The only drawback with that is the back-facing camera. So with that, the wiring, I wired through all the dash, so it's hard to take that off to go to different vehicle. But the front-facing and the side-facing camera, you're able to take the whole thing with you. So super easy to put it on another vehicle. And the quality is really good. The front-facing, obviously 2K with the ND filter. The quality is really, really good. And the side camera as well, as you can see from the footages of the camera. So yeah, nothing bad to say about this camera. The only thing is I didn't install is the radar sensor. So what that does is I found out is a sensor that you put in your car, and it connect to one of your I believe it's your battery, and from there, if they sense a movement, the camera start to record. So that's really cool. However, I don't really park anywhere shady. Most of the time, the vehicle is here at home. And then with the hybrid, I'm not sure about their system when it comes to battery system, so I didn't want to connect all that. But if you guys, you know, able to do that, let me know in the description if there's a way that I can do that as well. Maybe in the future I'll do that, but for now, I don't really need it. So other than that, this camera system is really easy to install. So yeah, if you guys are looking forward to getting a camera where you're able to have 4 camera system, I highly recommend this one. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, the install footages, and my honest review of this camera. So thank you again, Tiesfong, for sending this out for the Rav4, and I'm sure I'm going to put to good use on this adventure coming up. So yeah, if you guys like these kind of mods or whatever like that, let me know in the comment section below what other mods should I do in the Rav4. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. All right guys, take care, bye.